Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Ramzan Mubarak to all. Hope you are fine. Today we shall be starting with verb. Straight away, let's go to the topic. Well, what's a verb? A verb is a word, we can say it's a word that denotes some action. Let's see. It denotes an action. Also, it denotes a state. So, verb is a word which denotes action, which denotes state of what? Of the subject. Therefore, we can write it as a verb is a word which denotes an action or state, an action or state of a subject. Well, what's a verb? A verb is a word which denotes an action or state of a subject. Got it? Yeah. Students, verbs are probably the most important words used in English language because of two reasons. Number one, we cannot have a sentence. The reasons are as we cannot have a sentence in English language. We cannot have a sentence simply without a verb. Without a verb. That means every sentence that we may write is having a verb one way or the other way. Number two, the most important, verbs show us the tenses. That is important. Verbs show us the tenses in a sentence with present tense, past tense, and future tense. Verbs show us the tenses, present, past, and future tense. To understand this, I may write some words here. For example, I write he goes. Number one. Number two, he went. Number three, I will write here he will go. Students, goes, it's a verb. Similarly, went, it is also a verb. Will go, this is also a verb. So let us see which tense this sentence is having. He goes means वो जा रहा है. It is in present tense. He went, वो गया है. So it is in past tense. And he will go, वो जाएगा. So this is in future tense. So verbs show us the tenses in a sentence. That's why these are referred to as very important parts of speech. To understand more about a verb, let's go through some examples. For example, he goes to office on time. I will quote a few examples here. I am playing cricket. I'm playing cricket. He reached the office. Number next. Say, I am a teacher. Number 5. Let's see. He has a beautiful house. Dear students, I have written here different sentences. Let us see what is a verb in these sentences. Here, I may tell you, he goes to office on time. Here, goes is a verb. So we have to see what it indicates. I have already told you a verb indicates an action or a situation in a sentence or a state in a sentence. Here, I am playing cricket. See, playing is a verb. Although am is also a verb, but playing here is the main verb. Am is a helping verb. So we will go with playing is a verb. Here he reached the office. He reached the office, or reached is a verb because it takes some work to reach an office. I am a teacher. It's a different one. I am a teacher. So here I will say am is a verb. Mind it, am is a verb here. Similarly, he has a beautiful face. Here the verb is has. Here the verb is has. Let's see what the verbs denote in these sentences. He goes to school on time. Means he goes. वो चल रहा है. वो हर दिन स्कूल जा रहा है. Means he is doing some work. So here this verb is showing some action. I am playing cricket. So I am playing. I am doing an action. So again, this verb is also showing an action. He reached the office. So again, there is an action in this verb. This verb is again showing an action. But I am a teacher. Doesn't seem there is an action. I am a teacher. What am I? I am a teacher. It is denoting a state that I am a teacher. That I am a teacher. So I can say that the verb here is denoting a state. Or we can say a situation. Similarly, he has a beautiful house. He is not doing any work, but he is having a very good house. So has here is also denoting a state. So these are the functions of verb. Verb tells us about the action, or it tells us about the state of what? Of a subject. Okay? Dear students, there is also a trick to find the verb in a sentence. Although English language is not based on tricks, but I may tell you, if you have a sentence and you have to identify a verb, any word which is in the past tense in that sentence, you may call that as verb. Why? Because nouns are not used in the past tenses. Mind it, nouns are not used in the past tense, only verbs are used. So any word which is in the past tense in a sentence is a verb. There are some words there are few words of which we cannot make past tenses. For example, cut. Its past is cut, past is also cut. Cut. So what to do in that case? Those words of which we cannot make the past tenses, we see if that word contains in plus ing, for example, cutting. So if you are having a word which is in the form of plus ing, those words are also called as verbs. Those words are also called as verbs. Hope you may have got it. Now, next we may come on to another part of speech. That is the sixth one, I think, and that is adjective. Dear students, an adjective is a word. I may write a word that gives us an information about a noun or a pronoun. So words that give us information about a noun or about a pronoun, those words are called as adjectives. Adjectives are also called as, describing words. These are also called as describing words. Why? Because they describe a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. In a sentence. To understand this more, let's see some examples. For example, I will write here the clever fox. The clever fox defeated the brave lion. The brave lion. Well, I have written a sentence. Let us see what different words are. Lion, you know, it's a noun. Similarly, fox is also a noun. Defeated. I had told you earlier that it is in past form. So what is it? It's a verb. So these are articles, definite article. So the fox, it has been described by the cleverity. Which fox? It is a clever fox. So it adds to its quality. It describes its quality rather. So here the clever is an adjective. Clever is an adjective. Similarly, the lion. There is a lion, but which lion? It is a brave lion. Again, the quality comes to the fore. So this brave is also an adjective. This brave is also an adjective. So adjectives tell us about the quality, give us the information about the noun or a pronoun. We may see some more examples of adjectives. For example, number 2, that boy helped me. That boy helped me. So, boy is a noun. Got it? Helped. What is helped? Again, it is in the past form. So, what is it? It's a verb. Me, you call it as a pronoun. So, the boy helped me. Which boy? Very good boy. That boy. That boy, he has a very good character. He is a brave boy. So, he helped me. So, here this that. Don't get confused. It is not a pronoun here. Because it is the boy. This is the boy who has helped me. So, so here the that is an adjective. That is an adjective. Let's write one more example. Let's see. They drive an amazingly big red sports car. It's a very good sentence because it contains number of adjectives. Noun here is car. It's a noun. But what type of car it is? It is a sports car. So again, it is being described as a sports car. So this is an adjective. Similarly, which color of the car is? It is a red color. So again, here it is an adjective. So how is the size of the car? Small or big? It is a big one. So it tells about the size of car. Again, this is an adjective. Amazingly. What type of car it is? It is amazing. It is amazing. So again, this is an adjective. This is an adjective. So there are a number of adjectives describing the quality of the car. Quality of the car. Again, there is a word and. There is a word and. Although we call it as an article, indefinite article, but here this and is used as an adjective. Why? Because I may read the sentence again. They drive an amazingly big red sports car. It means how many cars they drive. This "and" indicates that they drive just one car. They drive just one car. This gives us information about the number of cars. So again, this is an adjective. This is an adjective. So I hope you may have got information about adjectives. So adjectives are the words that describe the noun or a pronoun. Hope you may have understood it well. Thank you very much.